In this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete Facebook account. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your Facebook, click on settings, click on see more in account center. Wait for it to load up. Scroll down, you're going to be able to see account settings. So the second option, personal details, click on it. Once it opens up, you're going to be able to see the last option, account ownership and control. So once I've clicked on this, is going to come out. I'm going to click on deactivation or deletion. I'm going to click on my account. Click on the second option, delete account. So when you delete your account, your main profile and everything else you've added will be permanently deleted. So once you click on the continue, you're going to be able to do the required details. You're going to be able to do the required verification needed for you to delete your Facebook account permanently. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video.